All right, I'm back, and this is a quick one for real this time. We're going to look at homework 6.2. I'm going to scroll down to number 4. I think it's the same number 4 for everybody. And I had a question about it, so I'm going to show you how to do this. Data300.data. We're going to open that link in a new tab. Okay, Control A will copy or will highlight everything, and then Control C. Or if you're on a Mac, of course, you'll have to figure that out. Open up Excel. Go into Excel, just anywhere you want. Paste this data in there. And you'll notice, right, this data is not separated into 3 different columns. So we're going to have to do that. And the way that you do that is you go to Data, Text to Columns, Delimited, Next. These are separated by big spaces, so we're going to say space. And you'll see down here it actually split it up. So we'll click Next, click Finish, and it's already separated it for us. So that's great. Let me make that a little shorter. All right, so what we want to do with this for the first problem, so let's go back and read this problem. Why did it do that? What we want to do with this problem is find this equation, right? So let's go back to Excel, and you guys know how to do it through the scatter plot, but let's go back to the other method of data analysis. I think this is the one that you guys are going to have to get familiar with. So you'll go to Data Analysis, you'll click Regression, click OK. You have some choices here, remember? We're going to get the Y, which is ACT, and I know that because it's sitting over here on the left. That's Y equals stuff, and then SAT is the X. So we're going to use the ACT as our Y. Make sure you get the label. The X range, let's go all the way to the top. We'll go to all of it, including the label. Cool. Make sure you select labels. If you don't do that bit with the labels, you're going to get wonky answers. I don't know why Excel can't handle it, but just make sure you grab the labels. All right. We know the confidence is 95 because it doesn't tell us anything over there. So that means alpha is 5%. We don't necessarily need any of the plots for what we're doing right now. So let's click OK. And it put it in a new sheet, sheet 2. Remember, this is the column, or sorry, the row that we care about. So that's all we're going to look at. The t-stat and the p-value are right here and right here. So let's make that in orange. All right, so okay. I didn't really explain before how to make the formula from this. I actually showed you guys a different way of doing it. So this intercept is what you would consider the y-intercept, right? So we're going to use that. Now this thing says do 3 decimal places for these. So the y-intercept is 0.669. And I'm getting that from that number right there. Because it says intercept, and that is the y-intercept. The thing next to x is right here. So that's 0.022. That's our 3 decimal places. T is over here, so that's 12. We're going to do 2 decimal places on this one. It's 12.05. And this one gets 4 decimal places. Well, this number, if you think about it, 10 to the negative 17 is a bunch of zeros followed by 0.1 or 199. So really only 4 decimal places, we're going to get 4 zeros. What's the correlation? Well, funny enough, the correlation's sitting right up here. And I can prove that by saying, hey, look, if I take the square root of r squared, which is this guy, and hit enter, that is the number you see right here. Okay, that's one way of doing it. The other way of doing it, just want to prove to you that this is all true. You'll use this formula I showed in the first video for 6.1. And you'll just grab all the numbers in this array, comma, and then all the numbers in this array, and enter. And you should get the same number that we got from here, okay, and here. So let's put that number in. And it says answer to 3 decimal places. So 0.845. Let's check that out, make sure it worked. Looks like it did. Nice. So we're all good. And that's all we're going to do. We're going to make that quick, sweet, and ready to go. All right. Enjoy doing your homework.